I'm going to do a little video update here on the ProLift Z Creeper seat. Yeah, this thing, I got it off Amazon. It's kind of a piece of shit, really. I'm going to be honest about it. It keeps losing screws. Which one was it? It was this one. I found it on the ground. It was just like laying on the ground. I'm like, well, that obviously doesn't go to a bike. What the hell does that go to? All these screws, I don't know how they get loose. We don't even use this that often. It's like literally just sitting there. The wheels have come loose. I think we pretty much have those finally on. We've actually, oh, nope, that one's loose right there. This thing is a piece of shit. It's a good idea, right? But yeah, it's made like a piece of shit. So I think I've already tried Loctiting that one. I think this nut thing, I think it's wallowed it out inside. So I think what I'll do is I'll take our TV. I'm just gonna cram our TV in there. Yeah, you can see the Loctite balled up there. So I'm going to take, unless I have JB Weld here. I don't know if I have JB Weld. But that needs to be stuffed full of probably like JB Weld. Put back in and it will never come off. All these, I don't even know. I need to take a Phillips and see which ones are loose. That one's for sure. Red Loctite, everything. I would red Loctite everything if you get this, because I mean, you'll be wheeling around and all of a sudden your wheel just falls off. Or I just picked this up like today, it falls off. Haven't even been using this. We've been using these to sit on, normal chairs. That stool's worked out really well. But that thing is a piece of shit. Avoid buying this at all cost. Spend your money on a different creeper, because this doesn't work.